Hi guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here pre-planning for the week of February 3rd through the 9th. It's the first full week of February. So this week I'm going to use this kit from Creative Cavern Studio. It's the mini kit. I think it was called Stay Cozy, but I love these full boxes. They're so cute and seem perfect for like winter vibes and February, which is like very cozy month, right? Here's like a functional page and some deco. Full boxes, half boxes labels, half boxes, quarter boxes labels, bottom washi, and then these are like washi strips. I took these two and cut them down so that they are header size plus a tiny little extra strip so that I can use those along the top. I'm also going to use this set from Avalon and Ninth, and then I'm going to use this set of littles from my leftovers for the bottom row. So that is my header situation. I pulled some washi just in case I need it. These two I think are from Amazon. This one is Michael's and this one is AC Moore. And then these three are AliExpress and these are from Amazon. So I have a ton of washi just in case I need it. Not that I think I'm going to need it this week. Pre-planning is going to be kind of boring because I don't actually have that much going on this week. It's very quiet, but we will see how it goes. So I am going to start by putting down the headers and the bottom washi. But I'm just gonna leave them and it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna hope for the best. I think that the color of the header from the planner, this like turquoise color, is very similar, so by the time everything is down you're not even gonna notice. These are really old headers that I guess I'll put this one here, that I cut like when I first started planning. I'm glad to use them up because I don't love them. I feel like this is very like Sunday, right? Okay, we're okay. Alright, there we go. As Kaylin would say, thank you for your service. Put this last one down. There we go. Alright, so there is like the base done. Moving on to the sidebar, I'm going to pull out the little headers and the functional page. So I think I'm going to start with like a little header strip. I have these, they're like an 1/8 inch tall, left over from cutting my header size. So I'm just going to put that one in. Then I'm going to put in a habit tracker. I think I'm going to use this turquoise color for the habit tracker. I don't really know why. Just feel like it's a good choice. Then I'm going to put in, I think, one of these. Another little scrippy scrap leftover. There we go. I think this is going to be tracking my job search process. Then I'm going to put in this one. This will track my dinners. There we go. Then I need like another little skinny strip. Like so. Then I need to know what to do with the rest of this space. I could put in some of the deco in there. I could fit another box, but I don't really know what I would like want to fit in there. I don't really have like a to-do list per se that I need. So that's also kind of like silly to put in. I pulled out this like one book from Happy Planner that we can like flip through here. I feel like the colors go really well. Maybe there's something in here. That would be good to put in. You guys get like a little flip through of this whole sticker book. I feel like these are all very like get it done, and I don't know. None of those go. Okay, so I'm gonna take these other two little like partial strips of washi, and I'm just gonna stack them underneath this washi strip. This may be a lot, but I think it'll be fine once everything's together. It won't be like too overwhelming. And then I'm going to put down at the bottom, I'm trying to decide, maybe like this one. I'm trying to like stack a couple. To kind of get like a similar height as this bottom washi. I'm just gonna do it starting at the bottom dot though. I'm just freehanding this, you guys. It's terrible, but it'll be fine. I don't seek perfection in this planner because I think, one, it's not achievable, at least not for me. And two, I just really get into a mode of pressuring myself a lot if I try to make it too perfect. And then it's not fun anymore. So I feel like that's like a little nice thing, and then I'll kind of stick in a couple there. I think that looks cute. I think I'm going to use this tiny cup right here because I think I should just put that for dinners. It'll be fun. Okay, so pre-planning is super boring this week. Monday, I have nothing scheduled. Tuesday, first thing in the morning, I'm gonna pull out this Happy Planner book. This is why I pulled it out. not just to like flip through it with you guys. As fun as that is. Somewhere here. I used these a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to use them again. Where are they? There's these little like phone call. There we go. So some phone call stickers. I have like a phone interview. I'm just going to put that in first. And then at the end of the day, I feel like I should have actually put that on something, but that's excessive. So we're going to have some leftover boxes, and that's going to be fine. Down here, maybe this one. Do I want to put that up here? Sure. Because these are like little things, right? Okay, so up here, is like events of the day. I have curling. I'm going to use this Prairie Planner stickers. I'm going to try to get my haul up this week that has these in them, so we'll actually get to see them. Alright, there's that. Wednesday, nothing scheduled right now. Thursday, I currently only have one thing scheduled, and that is curling. So I'm going to just use another half box for that. Like that. Another Prairie Planner sticker. Just put those away. And then Sunday, let me see. Which of these do I want? Maybe I'll use this one. Gonna put this in here. These are like appropriate deco. The sweater's like very cash, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And then there's like this gold star on the front. I don't know if there's any more. There's a couple of gold stars right there. There's some more. I'll just use one of these. I'm gonna stick it down like this. So this is for the Oscars and the red carpet, which is the part I really care about the most. All right, that's all I have for pre-planning. I told you there's not much going on this week. I'm gonna fill it out with my iHow 0.38 as always, and I will be right back. All right, so there's my finished pre-planning. I'm liking how this is turning out. I plan to not use any foil, but I feel like Oscars deserves foil. Yeah, so if you stick around for just a second, you can see the finished week. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It's like perfect colors, perfect for winter. I'm like ruining my washi. All right, in terms of leftovers, I have a bunch of functionals, some boxes. I tried to use the patterns that were like the most specific to this kit so that my leftovers are the most useful. A couple of these like fat washi strips, and then this isn't really leftover. I have two more sets of glitter headers. All right, so going through everything, if I don't mention it, it comes from the kit from Creative Cavern Studio. On the washies here, the skinny one's from Amazon, this plaid one's from AliExpress, and the bottom one is from Michaels. It's a Creative Cavern Studio sticker. This is washi tape from AC Moore. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is from Happy Planner. This is from Prairie Planner. The glitter headers are from Avalon and Night. These headers are from my leftovers, probably Bella Digital Design. This is Sarah Elizabeth Prince, Amazon, more Amazon, Prairie Planner, Creative Cavern Studio, Amazon, Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio. This little star is from Happy Planner. That's a leftover, I think, from Bella Digital Designs. And that is all I have. It's pretty much just Creative Cavern Studio this week. So as always, please like and subscribe below. I'd really appreciate it. Let me know what you think of this spread. And if you've used this kit, or if you have any kit recommendations for stuff I should be using in the coming weeks, trying to use like pinks and reds and like lovey-dovey kind of kits for February especially. And yeah, I think that is it. You can check me out at Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see the finished spreads and in progress spreads. And until next time, bye!